What's the meaning of crystal ball? Crystal ball. Crystal ball.
Crystal ball. Crystal ball. The phrase crystal ball is often used metaphorically to refer to the ability to predict or foresee future events. It originates from the practice of fortune-telling, where a glass or crystal sphere is used to focus and enhance psychic abilities. People who possess a crystal ball are said to have the gift of prognostication, enabling them to see what lies ahead. While such abilities are generally considered to be mere superstition, the desire to know the future remains a powerful motivator for many people in various fields of endeavor.